have to be hot when I'm
No, that's a good try.
summer.
Winter solstice has about 9 hours of daylight, and it's the opposite, and we're at the summer solstice. And so the seasons, well, actually there's two main motions that affect the Earth. Can anybody name one of them? Our planet Earth moves in two different ways. Does anybody know what one of them is? I'm doing it right now. Rotation. Okay, so rotation is the 24-hour movement of the Earth. It creates daytime and nighttime. So most of you knew about that, right? And also the other thing they do is this. The Earth does this. What's that called?
Daddy, Jackie's getting smoked.
Orbit, or our revolution. Okay, so the Earth goes around the sun. And what causes the seasons is the tilt. The Earth is tilted, my lovely axis here, a little crooked here tonight, but you get the idea. It's tilted at 23.5 degrees, and it's that tilt and the revolution around the sun that creates the seasons. Would anybody like to come up here and point to where, since Virginia's not on here, at least the United States on my map? You really know where it is? All right, where's the United States on my Earth here?
Ben.
Oh, she found it right here, North America, okay? Right here. Right there.
All right, Ben. Good job.
America. That's right. Good job.
All right, Ann. Let's let other kids.
All right, so let's start with the summer solstice. And I'm sorry if I have my back to some people. Are you getting burned? You want to move up just a little bit? Are you unhappy? All right.